I'm showing you how I got this makeup look with all drugstore and affordable makeup products. We got a whole bunch of new things from the drugstore, so let's dive in. Hydrating my lips with the Essence Lip Care Jelly Sleeping Mask. I picked up this new Milani spray. It's their Clean Start Prep Step. Prep skin for a toned and even base before makeup application. This is a new concealer from Tier, and I did get this Milani concealer as well, so I'm gonna do that for my eyes because I want to do our eyes first. This is the shade 140 Pure Beige. And then I also did pick up the new Morphe eye brush set, which I've used already. And then I also picked up these brushes from Real Techniques, which are new. I'm gonna use this one to blend out the concealer. I picked up this from Revolution Beauty. This is supposed to be a dupe for one of the Patrick Ta palette. I don't have that one, so I'm gonna go in with this color with the Morphe brush. Let's go in with this color here. They blend out really nice. There's a little powder kick up. As long as you tap the brush off, you're good. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker brown. So they have some powder and cream eyeshadow in here. Okay, and then we gotta try one of these shimmers. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. So those are pretty. There actually is not a lot of fallout on these, which is nice. I hate when I get glitter like all over the place and then it's never coming off. I picked up these new liquid liners from NYX. I picked up the brown, and then they have a sparkly black one, which I wanted to try. So that's the black and brown. Sometimes if black is a little bit too harsh and you're not looking for that kind of look, just go for a brown. This is actually pretty light. They have a bunch of different shades, but this went on really nicely. I don't have a new black liner, so I'm just using the Sephora brand one, but that's drugstore price. I'm gonna finish the lower lash line. These shadows are great. I haven't ever used the Revolution Beauty eyeshadows. I've tried their foundation, which is great. And then I got this new pencil from Essence. This is an emerald green color. If you have blue or green eyes, try investing in like an emerald or like navy blue. It really makes your eyes pop. Curl my lashes. This is from e.l.f. and I've really been enjoying it. I picked up the new Milani tubing mascara, and I've already used it a few times, and I really enjoy it. It really makes my lashes long. Can get a little clumpy, so you have to be careful, but I've gotten a lot of compliments when I've worn it. I'll have all the products linked below as well. I mean, look at that. Holy crap. I mean, you don't even need false lashes. Okay, the eyes are done. Now let's do foundation. I want to try this Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Smoothing Primer. I've heard a lot of good things. Like I have just larger pores here on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then forehead. So basically like all over my T-zone. And the top has this little thing for the spoon, which is kind of genius because I always end up losing them. So for this, I'm just gonna press it into the skin. I also picked this one up from Essence. It's a Silky Blur Poreless Primer. I'll try that one next. And then I picked up this Essence Magic Filter Glow Booster. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be kind of similar to the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna just put it on a palette. I'm going to try this from the Real Techniques. I'm just keeping that more on the high points of my cheeks. It's a little bit of a glow, not too intense though. And then I did pick up this new Essence foundation stick. This is in the shade 160. It's a tad little yellow for me, but I kind of want to try it, so. And then I'm gonna use this for the foundation to blend it out. That sits really nice on the skin. It's not quite the right shade. And then I picked up this contour stick by About Face, which I've used a few times and I do like it. And then I also picked up the new Morphe one. So I'm gonna use this on my face. I'm gonna use the About Face on my cheeks. And then we'll use the other one for my nose. And this is the shade Coney Island. And then I'm using this new brush by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna use this side. This blends out super easily, and I would say it's probably really good for beginners because it's kind of hard to mess up. I have the About Face foundation, which I do really like as well. Like, this color is just perfect for me. And I do like the way that this blended out. Now this looks exactly like the Victoria Beckham one, which is like expensive. So this is the Morphe Shade Filter Contour Stick. So that's the shade Refined. Let's go ahead. Definitely creamy. I wonder if it'll like slip around a lot. Let's just add a little bit more. So this is like a touch lighter than the About Face one, but that's actually really good for doing like your nose. You don't want it too dark. And then let's use this tiny little brush from Real Techniques. I like don't really know what you would use it for. It's a liner brush. Probably not the best brush to... And then this has like a silicone side and soft side. Now let's do this new Tier concealer. This is the shade 4N. They're now sold at Ulta, which is amazing. It has this side, which is like a lipstick. This side, which is a doe foot applicator. I think that's really unique. I've never seen anything like it. Let's use the doe foot applicator. And then we can use this right on the nose. I like their cushion foundation. It is full coverage though, and I'm more of like a light to medium coverage. But I like this concealer. Wow, that did a really good job. Okay, Tier. And then I did pick up this duo from Catrice. They're on Amazon, so you don't get it at Ulta. This is like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. I usually like my bronzer a little cooler, but it does the job. Looks really good. They sell Sachu, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, at Ulta. So I got the shade Guilty. This is like a viral TikTok brand. You can buy it on TikTok too. But this is like a more mauve-y color. Let's use the foundation brush. So let's go in with this Morphe palette. This is the Cheek Thrill Blind Date. This is like a peachy pink color. I didn't pick up anything brand new for my eyebrows, but this NYX pencil, I mean, it's pretty. It's fairly new. This is a really great eyebrow brush. This is the shade Taupe. The tip is so fine. It's just so easy to use. I did pick up quite a few lip glosses. These two are from Essence, and then I got the new e.l.f. Jelly one. Let's do a little swatchies. This is the Essence 8-Hour Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade, I think, Cosnova. I'll link it below. What's your favorite drugstore lip liner? This is like a nudie pink. I feel like glitter lip glosses are all the rage now, so this is a volume lip gloss, Extreme Shine. This is the shade Gold Dust. Then this is the shade Sparkling Purple. And then this is the Jelly Gloss from e.l.f. I mean, they're all clear, so let's use Gold Dust. That's really pretty. This isn't a new lip liner, but this is the shade Mauve by NYX. I am not cute doing lip liner, but Ariana Grande just came out with like a similar lip gloss that like everybody's losing their shit about. If you don't want to spend 20 bucks on a lip gloss, try these. Milani lip liner, and they just came out with a new one too, which I want to try, is 03 Nude. Smells like watermelon. It's pretty. Not as glittery as the Essence ones, but you definitely get that like a little bit of shimmer. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this back on. And then I did get this from L'Oreal. This is their highlighter stick. If you want that like wet look, get this. It's so good. This is the new Essence Fix and Last spray. So this is 18-hour long-lasting makeup fixing spray. Waterproof, free from oil and alcohol. And here you go, full face of makeup, all drugstore. Comment below what your favorite drugstore products are. I'd love to try them. Now let's go through my first impressions, what I like and what I would pass on. So let's start with what I like. Lip glosses, yes, especially yes. Foundation, the Essence foundation, not sure about. I have to keep trying it, but I am seeing a small bit of creasing here. Concealer, this side for sure. The Catrice bronzer, I like it. It's super affordable, no patchiness. Just make sure you get the right shade for yourself. Milani primer, not sure about it. I need to test it with different foundations. The lip liner, yes, I have a different shade of this 8-hour lip liners. They're really great. Definitely yes on the highlighter. The Essence Glow Booster, not sure about. I have to play around with it a little bit more, but I will keep you posted. It's not a no, not a yes. Morphe contour, yes. This contour by About Face, 100% yes. Love it. I've already used it multiple times. I love it. The shade's perfect for me. This is Coney Island. Liner, the Essence liner. This color is Emerald Dragon. Love it. Definitely yes. And I'm gonna see if they have like a navy blue, because this is literally only $3. Milani mascara, definitely yes. Look at my lashes. They look so good, so long. And it's a tubing mascara, which is easier to take off. The liquid liners, I like, not sure if I love. I think this brown might be a little bit too light. I want to try a darker brown. This is the Graham Cracker. The Morphe brushes, yes. The Real Technique brushes, yes and yes. This was weird. I don't know about. I have to play around. And then this one, maybe. Ulta always has sales. That's where I got everything. Wait till a sale if you want. But they always have like discounts and like the $3.50 off, so you can save even more money. And then the Milani concealer, yes, 100% yes. You do not need to set this concealer. The Clean Start, not sure about. It just felt like water on my face. I don't know. The blush, yes, I want to get a lighter color, but this actually would be really nice for fall. This is the shade I'm Guilty. And the eyeshadow palette, yes, from me. I was surprised. I was not sure how I would like it. This is actually probably would be a nice, pretty one for fall if you're looking to start stocking up, but this is the True Icon by Revolution Beauty. And I know that they do have different shades of these palettes, so, but this one I did like, surprisingly. I'll keep you updated on the foundation. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and a like. It really helps my channel. And comment below what your favorite part was and what you might try. If you have any video recommendations or any type of tutorials you want to see, I read all your comments. So please, please, please comment. I love chatting with you. And I will see you in my next video.